Hello everybody, I'm here in Perewali, Nankana Sahib district, and I'm here for our annual free eye care camps, which is sponsored by International Punjabi Foundation and Jobs in GTA Canada. I'm here with Shabali and we're going to go do a walkthrough as to the procedure and what happens when the patients come in, how they register, how their consultation is done. Thank you. The operations that happened last night, we had about 75 operations that were done throughout the night until early morning. You can see some of the patients here sitting down, and the doctor will come back around in a few hours and he will be removing their bandages, and then they will be given some glasses after that. Thank you.
बेटी पढ़ो कितनी लाइनें नजर आ रही हैं जी लास्ट लाइन आ रही क्या लिखा है जी बेटे ओके नाउ लास्ट लाइन Sir, 6 by 6 million. Okay. Not.
बना ली
बढ़िया धुप वाले ना मुंह करो
हाँ जी अबू कितना
बड़े ठीक है ठीक है ये सारा काम इन्ना दा
उधर है
दोवें जी आए
शादियां जो
When the patients walk in,
so many people come here into different villages, and there is so much glad to. I'm so proud this movement because that the Gulcharan Singh is our family friends, like the family friends, and they so much efforts for these poor peoples, and they can't bear the expensive in the eyes and camp. So I'm so glad to, you know. Yeah.
So here we have first when they walk in, they get registered, they get a little piece of paper. So when their name comes up, they will then be called to get their eyes checked. Thank you. बस हाँ
गुलाम रसूल मोहम्मद नवाज इन्होंने करे कंची तो थोड़े जिहा पासे ਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ
खड़ी रख के लगी होने लगा We have Dr. Mohammed Akbar Aman, and he will explain a little bit what he does here on the first visit when the patients come in.
Total patient of Bismillah Rahman Rahim. All the patients of eye patients, first of all we diagnose if I need glasses or a surgery.
Yes.
We do done the surgery of cataract with foldable IOL.
Yes.
At night we do the
The surgeries.
surgery near about 60.
I heard 75. You said 75?
75.
We cannot,
Today, last night was
exactly
75.
right.
Okay.
We do.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
he checks out. He does the primary diagnosis. Okay.
First time we check the visual acuity of the patient.
Yes.
Far and near vision, and then we provide the all spectacles at the door of door to door. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much.
And you join us. I like to inform you that they came on behalf of International Punjabi Foundation and Baba Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Baba Farid Trust, and on behalf of the jobs in GTA for distributing the stationery and relevant educational material.
So here we have the patients lining up for their first eye visit. The doctor will screen them or check their eyes out to see if they need just glasses or if they need some surgery. Thank you. We are here now at the Government Elementary School, Parewali, District Nankana Sahib, and today we'll be handing out books and pens to all the students here. ठीक है
जी वीडियो
ठीक है चलो भाई गुजर जाओ चलो आज लाइन में चलते जाएं आप शाबाश क्लैपिंग भी अच्छा स्काउट्स क्लैप्स कर लोगे वो 3 तालियां हाँ मैं जब कहूँ Scouts claps, go.